Hi everybody, if you're looking for some top apps that make everything easier, even home ownership, keep watching. This is Estella Carr with Dobeck Real Estate, sharing with you today the top 3 apps that make organizing and maintaining your home as easy as point, shoot, and click. CENTRIQ is number 1 and it easily tops the list of ultra handy apps. Just snap a picture of your appliance label and you'll have user manuals, warranties, parts, and it even keeps you updated on any recall notices. It'll also keep track of your electronics and gadgets too. Number 2 is HOMEZADA, and HOMEZADA helps to manage your household expenses, your renovation budget, property taxes, your mortgage payments, and even inventories your stuff. Don't know how to maintain a schedule? No worries, because HOMEZADA will create a monthly schedule complete with reminders. Number 3 is LetGo. LetGo is a garage sale in your pocket. Just take a picture of your item, set a price, and let local shoppers come to you virtually. I'd love to hear about your experience with these apps. So if you start using them or if you're already a user of these apps, comment below. Let me know how things are going for you, what you like, what you don't like. And if you have any questions for me, feel free to reach out anytime. Thanks again for watching. This is Estella Carr.